guys, as y'all can see, I have on my jacket still because I just came in the house and I seen this package waiting for me, okay? It was waiting at my house, okay? So I'm about to open it for you guys. It's late, by the way, and this video is gonna have to be a little bit quick because I gotta get ready to go again. But yeah, I'm coming to you guys with a unboxing video from yours truly, Bath and Body Works. But yeah, let's, get into it. I only got like 2 things, so this video is gonna be very, very quick. Let's see, let's open it up. Let's get rid of that first because that has personal information. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is I got this, the cucumber melon. I got this for free because I got I had a coupon to get something for, I think, like $14.50. So I was like, let me get this cucumber melon fragrance mist because I never had the fragrance mist. I do have the lotion though. I got that from my sister. So I'm like, yeah, let me try the mist, see if I like the mist. Let me do a little spritz. First. It smells so yummy. It reminds me of like my childhood, y'all. Y'all probably like, why did you get a spring summer scent and it's winter time? Well, I want this because it I'm trying to get I'm trying to grow my collection with scents that I like. So yeah, and new scents that I haven't tried yet, but I do actually have this. But anyways, I'm just really trying to grow my collection. So yeah, that's why I got this for free, by the way. I said that already. But anyways, okay. The next thing I have in here is an aromatherapy lotion. I got this during the sale. It was like $5.95, I think. I've never had an aromatherapy lotion before, or any aromatherapy. So I'm like, let me try this. The only real reason why I got this is because I wanted to get something. I wanted my free item. So I was like, oh, there's a sale going on. So let me get something that's cheap real quick. So I got this. This is the Energy Orange and Ginger. I kind of want to get a, how do you open this, y'all? I'm kind of scared. I'm just like twisting it. Hold on, let me move that out of the way. I'm like just twisting it. How do you get this off? You're probably like, what the freak are you doing? I don't know. Let's just smell it. I'll figure out how to get it off later. I just want to smell it really. Ooh. Very gingery. Ginger smell. I can get some orange, but mostly just like a ginger scent. I feel like this is going to be very relaxing for me. I kind of want to, hold on. Okay, this way. Follow directions. Okay, let me try some of this. If it'll come out for me. Hello? Hello? Am I doing this wrong? You guys, I don't know what's going on. Sorry. Maybe I just gotta keep pumping it. I mean, it's not, nothing's happening here. Did I get a defective? I don't know what's going on. It's okay. I'll figure it out later. This is kind of frustrating. Watch out, I probably broke it or something. Anyways, yeah, this is the only 2 products that I got. Cucumber melon. They don't have the notes on here. I would have read the notes. And Energy Orange and Ginger. It just says orange oil, ginger oil. Orange oil invigorates and uplifts, while the ginger oil energizes your senses. So that's pretty cool that I finally have aromatherapy in my collection. But yeah, you guys, I think it's going to be the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I'll see you guys in my next... see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.